Netflix shares surging to a 4-month high today. This on some unsubstantiated rumors that Disney is looking to acquire Netflix. Let's discuss the stock with two analysts in today's Trading Nation. Youssef Squali of Cantor Fitzgerald rates the company a buy. Barton Crockett of FBR Capital Markets rates it market perform. Barton, I'm going to go to you because you cover both of these companies. It's interesting because Disney has surfaced as a potential acquirer of two different companies in just the past couple of weeks. What do you make of Disney right here, seeing that these are rumors, of course. But the seeming perception that Disney is willing to make a big acquisition that isn't directly in its lane.
Right. I think that it's very much speculation. I don't think Disney has really said anything publicly that should make people assume that they're going to step up and do what so many other media companies have done or tried to do and not successfully, which is buy a big internet company. Could it make sense for Disney to buy Netflix? Potentially. But I haven't heard any signals from them that they're looking to do it. So I would not make that the core reason to be looking at buying a Netflix stock here today. I think that that's very speculative.
Prior to these rumors, did you think Disney would be shopping for a fairly big acquisition given Bob Iger is going to retire at the end of 2018?
No, I'd be surprised if Iger did this now. I think someone who new in charge of Disney might think about it. But I've heard nothing from Iger to suggest that they're thinking about this type of push. Their acquisitions have all been about content and putting that through the Disney kind of machine, not about picking up internet distribution. So things like Twitter, Netflix, they might make sense. We just haven't been conditioned to expect it. So, I'd be surprised if it happened.
Youssef, investors want to believe that there's a takeout bid, a takeout premium that should be afforded Netflix. What do you think? Is it up for sale?
Are you asking me if Netflix is up for sale?
Sorry, Youssef.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's up for sale. I think we've been here before. We've seen many rumors. At one point, Apple was interested, then not. At one point, Amazon was interested, or Google. So, look, I think it's a very valuable asset, but I do think it's an asset that's going to continue to grow on its own for the next several years. I think the time of it being kind of an easy tuck-in acquisition is over. And I think, I think before you know it, it's probably going to be a global, or it's already becoming a global phenomenon. I think it's going to be out of reach for most players, except for maybe one or two. And I don't think we're not hearing anything to that effect.
We should note that Netflix has declined to comment. Disney didn't respond to a request for comment. Guys, thanks so much for joining us, Barton and Youssef. For more market insights, tradingnation.cnbc.com.
There are several considerations to keep in mind when trading in the aftermarket sessions. First, there may be lower liquidity in the aftermarket than during the regular session. This can result in wider spreads between the bid and the ask, as well as clients getting partial executions or no executions at all.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the I right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.